Here's a quick video of how I print two pictures on one piece of film or photo paper for my Canon Selphy cp1500. So I never figured it out, and it was so easy. I don't know how I didn't figure it out, but you go to, for just one picture on a piece, you click here, but for the two pieces, or two pictures, you're going to click on this. And it's already set up for you. There's the check marks. I guess you could print it over here and over here too. I've never done that before. I might try that too. And then you click OK. And you go to smartphone. You go to camera or message or wherever it is that you want your pictures from. And I'm trying to remember here. This is pictures of the steampunk festival that we went to and our dog. So let's go for that one. And I can't even see what these are because I don't have my reading glasses on. But then you click which ones you want to print out. And then oh, this is just like a booth, and there are two booths. This was a weird little animal thingy. We'll see it better when it's bigger. But now I'm going to hit print, and I'll take you off and show you how it's going in the printer. So it's getting set up, I guess. And it says busy on the top, and it's going to pass through 4 times, and then it will be a picture. It's passed through the yellow, now it's passing through the red or pink. Passing through blue now. And then it passes through clear or white. I don't know, but you'll see a little white circle show up here. And that is done. And you have 2 smaller pictures now. There we go. And here is a close-up. I need to get better lighting, and I really don't know how to figure out good lighting, but see, that's like a creature on a hat. It's not a real creature though, I hope. And then this was just one of the booths, and so I think I'd like to experiment and do 4 pictures on a frame. Let's see how that looks. They might be too small. Alright, so I'm going to go back to this, and N up layout is what it's called. And we'll click 4, and now we'll go and pick out, do I have anything in my messages? Let's do some flowers, and then we'll go back. I don't know if that'll work that way. And there's another flower, and we'll do this and see how that works. I don't know if it works in 2 different sections like that. Oh, it does. Can you see that? Alright, let's click print. And we'll go over to the printer again. Alright, it's printing out 4 pictures on one sheet. Before I realized I could do this, I was actually, you know, kind of wasting the papers because I could have easily been just fine with smaller pictures. That's the last pass through now. Now I'm sure that most of you have figured out how to do this, if you have this, but someone had recently asked me about this printer, and I said I hadn't figured out how to do it yet, so I thought I'd make a little video about it. So here is they're not that bad. And now that I have these little ones, these are the exact same size pictures as my little Kodak step prints out. But the colors are so much more accurate, and the actual paper and ink is cheaper than to get for this. So I think I'll be doing this from now on. Thanks so much for watching, and I appreciate your support, and I hope you're doing well. Hope you're happy and healthy and safe and strong and courageous. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.